Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, if you're looking for a spacious and comfortable home design for a large family, this 5 bedroom bungalow could be the perfect option for you. In this video, we're gonna explore layout, features, and design of the beautiful and modern bungalow. From the outside, this beautiful bungalow features a modern and elegant architectural design. The front porch creates a welcoming entrance to the house and also provide a relaxing outdoor space. Large windows and incorporated into the design to allow plenty of natural light and proper ventilation throughout the home. Once you enter the house, you are welcome into the spacious lounge area designed to accommodate family gatherings and guests comfortably. Next to it, we have the dining, which is strategically positioned to allow easy access to the kitchen. Uh, this layout creates a smooth flow between the living space, making house feels open and comfortable. In the kitchen area, it is modern with enough working space for meals preparations, also designed to accommodate kitchen cabinets and appliances. Adjacent to it, we have the kitchen pantry that provides additional storage space for food, supplies, and other kitchen items. When we move to the bedrooms, we have the master bedroom, which is en suite, uh, meaning it has its own private bathroom, space for wardrobes and other furnitures. When we move to the other bedrooms, it is sized and share common bathroom. These rooms can be used for kids or children, guests, or even converted into other home office, depending on the family's needs. One of the biggest advantage of this is that it makes movements within the house easily, and all rooms are under one floor. It is practical, especially for families with the kids or elderly members. And it is designed, uh, and this design is also suitable for large plots such as a 50 by 100 or even more. Yeah, so if you want any of these, kindly reach us out on 0724 481087 or 0721 0789217685 or email us at info@westkenyarealestate.com. Thank you.